there is a distance between you and your child. You see your child drifting away from you, and the distance keep growing wider and wider. This distance could even cut, especially when your child reaches the teenage period. This emotional distance between the two of you, between you and your children, is neither healthy for you as a parent or for your child. This distance simply means there is no connection between you and your child. In this video, I will share with you some of the reasons, at least 5 reasons, why there is this emotional gap, why there is this emotional distance between you and your child. As a parent, you ought to be aware of some of these reasons so that you can work towards avoiding them, so as not to create a distance between you and your child. Welcome back to my channel, Life Skills Hacks. The first reason why there is a disconnect, emotional disconnect, why there is distance between you and your child, is constant criticism. In your daily interaction with your children, you meet them with complaints, insults, and lots of criticism. And you know what that does? It chips away your child's self-confidence. They feel valueless. And with time, they will drift away from you. So as a parent, start from today. Do not over-criticize your child. Even when you are criticizing, it should be positive criticism. The second reason why there is that emotional gap, distance between you and your child, is that you as a parent, you are always physically present but emotionally absent. You do not provide warmth and care for your children. So your children will drift away from you. If you as their parent is not mentally present, your child will learn to put their emotions inside. Okay? And that is a total recipe for huge psychological disorders for your child as they grow. Being mentally absent means that your children do not have the avenue to share their views, opinions, and ideas with someone. So they will drift away. The third reason why there is this emotional distance between you and your child is lack of apology. As parents, we feel too big to apologize. We shouldn't be apologizing. It is the children that must apologize, even when we do things wrong. So our children notice that, oh, here, daddy or mommy, they got it wrong. And yet, we refuse to apologize. So children will learn that apology is not own, so they would keep away from you. They shouldn't be the ones apologizing all the time. So this is one of the reasons that can keep your child away from you. The fourth reason that can keep you away from your child is over control. We want to micromanage everything about our children. From what to dress, who to meet, who to talk to, how to talk. You try to make decisions for them. You don't involve them in decision-making process at home. So you are the boss and you just decide and do everything that you like, but your children are not involved. This, more often than not, lead to secret behavior. So you might be living with your child at home, but you don't actually know their true behaviors because they are hiding that from you. Or you would meet outright rejection or rebellion from your children. The fifth reason that there is this emotional distance between you and your child is that you are not listening as a parent. Your child is trying to draw your attention, to catch your attention, doing everything possible, but you are very engaged with work. You are on television, you are on your phone, you don't listen. They try so many ways and they are met with rejection because you are busy and engaged. That behavior is a communication, and what that is telling your child is that you don't matter. At the long run, your child will stop opening up to you. Your child will stop seeking your attention, and that is emotional distance. The good news is that emotional distance can always rebuild. You can always draw back your child to you to have that connection, that bond between you. All you have to do is start now. Start doing the small little things. Listen more, criticize less, and learn to say, I'm sorry. Which of these mistakes have you noticed in your journey as a parent? Let's talk in the comment section and catch you in the next video. Kindly share this with family and friends. Bye.